Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access and backups so nothing gets lost. Boot into safe mode or use the Windows installation USB to reach recovery options. This avoids repeated password prompts. Once you have alternate access, check for external drives or recent system images so you can restore if needed. Make sure you note the exact error message on the login screen. These first actions prevent data loss and let you perform fixes without escalating to reinstalling the OS. Now you repair account and service issues that commonly block login. Open an elevated command prompt from recovery and enable the built-in administrator to regain entry, or use NetUser to reset a known account. This targets corrupt profiles or credential failures. Then run sfc/scano and dism restore health to fix missing or damaged system files that prevent authentication services from starting. Also inspect Credential Manager and the User Profile service, because they often cause looping logins when corrupted. Finally, reboot to normal mode and attempt a normal login. Recreate the user profile only if the account remains unusable, copying personal files from the old profile. If problems continue, restore a recent system image or run system restore to revert faulty updates or drivers. Make sure to open Event Viewer and read Authentication and System Error ID. They tell you why services failed and what to fix next. If you're stuck, collect the exact error messages before seeking further help so troubleshooting is precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.